Hey, what's going on out there? This is Jock Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is branded surveys. This is a branded surveys proof of payment video. Uh, Everybody want to know, does they pay? I know a lot of people these days are just skeptical when it comes to any kind of business. A lot of people want to ask, do they pay? Well, yes, branded surveys does pay. They paid me yesterday. I've been kind of tied up the last about day and a half, and I didn't even know that they paid me yesterday. I was waking up this morning thinking like, man, the payment ought to be in by now. But I've been tied up the last day and a half, and I must have missed it on my smartphone that they had paid. But yeah, they paid me yesterday. You can see right here, 9/18/2018, 4:14 p.m. So yes, branded surveys does pay. They've been on time for the last 3 or 4 years. See right here again, 9/18/2018. So yeah, they do pay. So yesterday was I think Tuesday. Yeah, yesterday was a Tuesday. So, it's no reason not to go set up your free account. Let me go to branded surveys. Okay. So this is my account. I got 477 points. I'm almost getting ready to cash out again. Now, 100 points at branded surveys equals $1. So that's $4.77 right there. You can cash out at 1,000 points, which is $10. So I want to make sure that's clear. Okay, I'm going to my dashboard now. Let it load up. Because I don't had these windows open for a while. I kind of been running around and done took a nap and stuff. Okay, I'm still at 477 points. So, like I said, branded surveys is free to join. You can get paid by PayPal. It's a payment processor that they use called Dwala. And they got a thing called BPay right here. Now, BPay is direct deposit. It goes straight to your bank account within 24 hours, as you can see right there. What I like about branded surveys, though, uh, they got a daily poll which you get 10 points for. Anywhere from about 7 to 10 p.m., depending on what time zone you are in the United States or whatnot. That poll will be available. Matter of fact, on the dashboard page, I've already answered this day. Have you ever visited a fortune teller? But anyway, if you do 10 in a row, you get 100 points, which is $1. So you want to be active every day and log in. So you need to set up your free account, and if you do that, first thing I want you to do is come in here and set up your payment options and preferences. Fill out all your information. Most people usually use PayPal. Go in this part right here, payment options, and select PayPal or BPay or Dwala is your payment processor before you even get started. So when you request payment for the first time, it's not going to be any delays in your payment. Now, it takes 3 to 5 business days, which usually translate to uh, usually about anywhere from 6 to 7 just days period. Because, weekends come and stuff like that. But they pay, and they pay all the time. As you can see, I just got paid yesterday, just a little bit over 24 hours ago. Uh, if you really want to make a lot of money with branded surveys, I think you not only should be active in here every day, I think you should get referrals. And that's where you want to go right here. You want to go to the invited friends. This is where you're going to get your referral link. You can do a Facebook post, Twitter post, Facebook message, and this is where you get your link right here, and you just get that link out there. You know, everybody got different ways of marketing and putting the word out there. So, you know, it is what it is. So, uh, that's what it is. So, just you'll see your link on the invite friends chat, like you see mine right here, and you just get it out there. So, and you'll be getting money. Like you'll start off with getting 50, but as you keep uh ranking up higher and higher in the system, you'll start getting 200 points every time you refer somebody. So that's awesome. So, you know, 50 points is 50 cents, 200 points is $2 a referral. That's pretty good. So yeah, branded surveys is the way to go. So so now you see proof of payment. You want to come in there every day, do your daily poll, get $10. Get 10 cents a referral, which is 10 points. And excuse me, if you do 10 in a row, that'll be 100 points, which is $1. And like I say, you can cash out at 1,000 points, which is $10, straight to PayPal, Dwala, or BPay, which is direct deposit. But like I say, when you sign up for that free account, make sure you come over here and choose your payment options. Look at your preference. Look at all of this under your name, like you see my name here, and get that set up. Cause like I say, you don't want no delays in your payment. Like I say, bring in friends. Go to invite friends. Get that referral link. Get it out there. That way, you got other people on your team. Now, those people, you're gonna get points every time they complete something. Uh, it doesn't deduct from their points the points that you get from them. You will just get points for everything that they do. But yeah, it's free to sign up. Go ahead and start making this PayPal money. You know, you do whatever you want to with your money, or you can leverage that money, those $10 payments or whatever. You don't necessarily got to cash out at $10. You can, let it bill and then cash out for even more than that. But yeah, you can spend the money, or you can leverage that into other stuff and buy other opportunities with this money and make bigger commissions and leverage that into, a online empire. You can start a pay-per-click campaign. You can start another little affordable business and get that going and get the market in there. It's just whatever you want to do. So, like I say, free to sign up. I'll put the link below. I'm also going to put a link to my blog below. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. And y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.